Be my guest. Right folks, here we are. So this is the first ride of 2021. It is also my first ride recording with the Warwickshire Atlas 2. Of course, just after I bought it, they've gone and brought out the Atlas 3.0, but never mind. This is a vast improvement on the helmet I had in the first place, so I'm not going to complain, and neither should anybody else. We're out obviously on the BSA primarily because I happen to let the MOT lapse on the Thruxton and on the Sportster, and I've been avoiding putting the MOT on the Thruxton in lieu of the Scrambler going on the road. But then it has occurred to me that as things have gone on, my intention probably is to sell the Thruxton following completion of the Scrambler, and it will need an MOT for that anyway, so yeah, I probably should just MOT and at least get some use out of that MOT before I move the bike on. If anybody's looking for a Thruxton, I have a rather fetching British racing green, whatever the green was they used, with the gold pin stripes and racing stripes. Thruxton 865 in very nice condition, so just to add that in there. Out again today with my good friend Luke, who's ahead. He's working away quite a bit at the minute and has been absolutely desperate to get out on the bike, so we thought we'd come and do our usual B road route, which you've probably seen on previous videos. The BSA has developed a habit of not wanting to start after being started and then running warm, so this could be interesting. That was quite a nice surprise at the petrol station just when it started first time. It's nice to be back out on two wheels rather than spannering for a bit, so there's something a bit different to show you guys. Also this morning I went and worked on the MGB. We've now got quite a bit of progress on that. I won't say anything because this video might come out before or after the MGB video, so yeah, but it's really getting there now. We're very much looking forward to getting that on the road. So also to note guys, while we're on the way here, lovely ride, this is lovely, love this road. Yeah, a little bit of housekeeping, so as always, if you haven't done already, click like, subscribe, all the good stuff. Hit the little bell icon. I just will let you know when new videos come up, give you a notification there so you don't miss out. And yeah, I want to thank all you guys that have clicked subscribe already. So I mentioned the last video, video prior to the last one, we've now surpassed 250 subscribers, which astounds me really. It's lovely, and I really appreciate the support and all the comments we get, feedback, both here on YouTube and on Instagram. But yeah, well, astounded. So yeah, thanks guys. Also, to let you know, I did let slip in the last video when I worked on the Scrambler that I have a target date. Now I'm aiming to have the Scrambler MOT'd, taxed, road legal and ready to run by the end of May. That's a purely plucked out the air date that is just a target for me. It has got absolutely nothing to do with any events that are going on around that sort of time of year. I have no intention of taking the taking the bike on a ridiculous adventure for a whole weekend of riding at the very end of May. That's not what I'm doing. So yeah, that could be interesting. There we go. Give me a gear. I've been riding 11 years now, and this one still catches me out. End up going in, slowing down. Look at that. We did it. Yeah. That's got to be a rare occurrence, isn't it? Something actually working because people are watching. Little kid with his fingers in his ears. Come on, lad. Classic bikes is where it's at. I'm gonna say that he was putting his fingers in his ears because of Luke's bike. That's my my response to that. What the fuck just fell off? I don't think any of these fell off. Can we get me in the leg though? Sorry guys, the GoPro wouldn't switch on. I'm really disappointed by that. So the lane you will have seen us arrive at, it's a very short little hop through. It's an old service road that doesn't look like it's maintained that much anymore, but it's certainly it's still a road. It leads back to the A5, but it's quite rough. And in my first bit of off-roading on the BSA of all things, so quite enjoyed myself. It's a very short little hop. We will definitely do it again, and it might be the test route for the scrambler once it's on the road. So I'll keep you posted on that one. But yeah, we're just heading back now. Just wanted to get on here. Managed to get the GoPro switch back on just to close this one out. We've been out, we've had a good ride, a good chat, and yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate the support. As I said, like I say, we're rocking 250 something subscribers now, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy.